Welcome everybody, this is Solving 10 Big Data Hadoop'able Problems course. My name is Tomasz Żelek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala, and I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I am working with multiple big data projects and I am processing hundreds of terabytes daily. And in the first section we'll be looking at the Hadoop and the big data ecosystem. So let's see what we will learn throughout this course. So in the first section, we'll be looking at the Hadoop core components. In the second section, we'll be looking at the downstream ecosystem. So we'll be looking at all tools that will be used throughout this course, such as Kafka, Spark Streaming, Machine Learning, Hive, and HBase. In the third section, we'll be looking at the financial, trade, and time series applications. So we'll be writing streaming job that process payments of our users. Fourth problem that we'll be covering is ad tech and ad targeting. We'll be trying to filtering bots in a real-time fashion. In the fifth problem, we'll be looking at the big data problems from perspective of business. So this will be a transaction analysis. We will be finding a top seller in our e-commerce site in streaming way. Then we will be looking at the customer churn analysis. So we'll be trying to calculate churn of our customers. Next problem that we will be covering is Internet of Things. We'll be collecting sensors data in a streaming way, saving that sensor data to HBase, and then performing some batch analysis on that data. Then we will be looking at the graph and scientific and high performance computing. We will be leveraging graph and GraphX to solve very complex problems, like for example page rank problem. Next problem that we will be covering is security concerned intrusion detection. We'll be trying to analyze our network traffic and find out anomalies in that traffic. 10th problem, we will be looking at the topic of text analysis. So we will be analyzing text and trying to do some kind of NLP on that text. Then we will be looking at the Cloudera Sandbox. So this will be a data warehouse, data lake, and data sandbox, and we will be solving specific tasks using Cloudera Sandbox. Then we will be looking at the personalization. So we will build own recommendation engine. So I hope you will find out those problems very interesting, so stay tuned.